Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few project shares for you today. This is for Kscraft design team. And so this is the August release, which has Christmas and some back to school. Now I don't have all my projects to share with you, but I do have the stuff that I worked on. So the first one is the Santa Suit mini album. The next one is the 26 bold Christmas words. And then you have the Christmas tags. And those are the ones with the highlights on them. And then there's the Christmas sentiment strips. So let's get into it. Those four die sets. First, I want to show you the mini album. So this is the Santa suit. And it does not come with the hinges. You can make your own, or like I did, I used the one that is from the Halloween Boo mini album because, you know, I was already playing with it. So this is what it looks like. A little hinge. You got 3 pieces. So you got the holes on one side and then the open space so that you can, what do you call that? Attach it to the pages. So yeah, I just pulled it out of the Halloween Boo mini album. Okay. And so this set has pieces that, you know, it doesn't normally look like this. I cut it apart so that I can open my suit, which, hold on, because I think this is what's holding me. And I also trimmed some of the pieces. So let me trim that off. Let's see. Much better. That opens a little better. So I put some hinge mechanisms so that the coat would be able to open. And you just kind of force it a little bit. But I didn't cover the inside here. I just covered the fronts. So there you have it. I cut the furry part with some embossed paper. This is a paper pad from Hobby Lobby. Embossed Recollections, right? No, this is Michael's. Michael's is Recollections. So I used one of the embossed papers. This is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. You can see it. Nice and embossed deeply. So I used that to, you know, give the coat some texture. The paper collection that I'm using is another paper pad. This is from Michael's again. It's Holiday Ballet. This is an old paper pad. I was basically using up the scraps that I had left over from this collection. I do have another paper pad, but I wanted to use this one pad up so that I can say I'm done with it. So anyway, that is my cover. And then I just used some of the other papers to cover my pages. I didn't do anything yet. This is what I created on Sunday Live with Ebony on the Misfit show. So we're on live Sunday. We rotate channels. It's her and mine. And we come on usually about 3 p.m. Sunday, Central Standard Time. So there's my mini album for that project. Now let's go to this one since it's sitting on my desk right here. It is the Christmas Sentiment Strips. It's a stamp and die set, and that's nice. You got a double layer for your die set. So I'll show you what that looks like. You get, how many words do we get in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We get 12 words. So I cut mine out on white and red cardstock. And then I used another one of the papers from the collection. The paper collection I'm working with. So this is the paper I picked up, or I'm using just for this sentiment. So this one says Holly Jolly. I did pop it up on some foam. It's just a tiny bit of foam. It's not that much. I like the way they came out. This one says, fa la 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 la. It's so cute. It made stamping and cutting so easy. So I like that. Because otherwise, sometimes the stamp and die sets, I'm kind of like discouraged to even use them. So Merry and Bright. And they're tiny. The font is tiny, but it's so cute because you could put them on your projects, add little sentiments. And if you notice, there's little candy cane designs on there and little speckles. This one's ho ho ho. And if you have those fancy embossed inks, oh my God, that would be just glorious. Hot cocoa. So you get several. Those are the shorter sentiments. Now here I kind of messed up because I was using a scrap piece of paper and I didn't realize my die was going to run off the edge. But look at it. You don't even really notice it. And then you're going to add a piece of whatever. You can add some ephemera to cover up that mistake. Same with this one. Santa's Favorite. And we got Candy Cane Lane. So very cute. Naughty or Nice. That's going to be fun to use. Holiday Blessings. These are great for cards. If you don't use the foam, you can layer them flat and be nice for Christmas cards. North Pole Approved. I really like that one. That one's so funny. And then this one is Merry Christmas. Now they need Santa, I promise I was good. Santa, I have proof. And it wasn't me, it was my twin. Sentiments like that. That would be so fun to play with. Okay, so now we'll go on to our tag with the highlights. Christmas tags. This one, I just cut out a few and layered them so that you could see the highlights. This one is on black cardstock. And I'm using that same paper collection. This one's just red and white. That really looks pretty. I like that one. This one is 'Tis the Season. Another 'Tis the Season. Again, this is the one on black. So it looks like that. Okay. Get that all organized. And then I did the glitter foam and white. So it looked like a gingerbread. So it'd be cute for gingerbread embellishments. Little tag. That's what it looks like with the tag. That's what it looks like without the tag, and you can use them on your projects without the tag. So that's what those look like. Now let's go to the bold Christmas words, right? So we have cheer, and I cut it out of copper, if you could see that color right there. And it's so cute because the background paper has gingerbread. So I figured, oh, let me use copper. That'd be cute. So this one is Blessed. It's so hard to see in this lighting that I have. So there, Blessed. And we have Bright. Whoops. Girl, get a grip. So nice and bright. And Believe. It looked like there, right there. So much prettier in person, guys. And we have Noel. And you could put these again on anything, all your projects. Now, look at that. So pretty. All right. So I think that was it. Yeah. So my main plan for this situation is I want to use some kind of a magnet or something. I'm not even going to bother covering it. I'm probably going to just put it right there and let it close on itself. And then put on here some kind of, it's like, let's see. Let's use this one. I didn't cut this one too good, but you could put a sentiment in there and make it into a card. I'll do it better next time. And I'll probably cut the background again one more time with the embossed paper and put it on the inside here so that it's a white lined right here instead of this edge. You see how that looks right there? And I could add that on there. It'll be So much better. So that is what I've started creating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join our crafty family. And yeah, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So we do go live on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Ebony and myself, we still go. It's a part of our Misfits, the Misfits show. Now, Tuesdays is on my channel. Thursdays is on Ebony's channel. I will have our links in the description box below. But guys, if you're interested in getting these Kscrafts Christmas August release, it's so much fun. It's so worth it. You'll be able to use these over and over and over for the holidays. I think super cute. I love them. I'm planning on putting these all into the mini album. Try to load it in there, and I might be putting that up for sale. So you never know. You never know. You got to come to the live. So yeah, don't forget, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.